Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I'm going to teach you all about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping in just a couple of minutes. So these are the main points that you need to know about when it comes to Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. First of all, you're not going to have any store. This isn't based on any domain or any Shopify store or anything like that. And there's no apps. You don't need to have any upsell apps or any email apps. Everything is fully contained right inside of Facebook.com, inside of the marketplace section. And really, most importantly, I think the best part, there are no ads. You need no Facebook ads, no Instagram ads, no paid traffic whatsoever. We just leverage all of the traffic that comes from Facebook Marketplace. And the reason that this works so well is that Facebook is heavily pushing Marketplace. And anytime they push a feature, you want to jump right on it. Whether it was groups when they were pushing groups, or back in Facebook ads when they released videos, right? Everyone jumped on video ads. You always want to jump on what Facebook is pushing because they're going to put a lot of resources into that. It's just going to get more eyeballs, right? We don't need any ads at all because Facebook is pushing so many users into the marketplace. And on top of that, the real reason that Facebook Marketplace is working so well, the reason why we see sales literally the same day that we post items, is because of this idea of the Facebook pixel. Right? You might know the Facebook pixel. You might have installed it on your Shopify store or on your website, on your ClickFunnels. You've probably interacted with tens of thousands of Facebook pixels. Every single website has the Facebook pixel installed. And what it does is track all the different actions that take place on a website, like what did you click on? What did you purchase? How much money did you spend? And of course, all that information is super helpful to you as a marketer for understanding more about your store or your website. But what do you think Facebook is doing with their own Facebook pixel and literally millions of Facebook pixels floating around the web? They're obviously leveraging that information as well. And of course they should. It's their pixel, right? It's their pixel. You're installing it on your site. You're giving them all of this e-commerce data. And guess where they're leveraging it? Right inside of Facebook Marketplace. Again, that's why this works so well. No ads are needed. You could load up Facebook Marketplace. You're going to see a different set of results than what I see, and then what your friend sees, or then what my friend sees. And everyone's going to have a different set of products in there. Why? Because it's curated based on you specifically. And how does Facebook know all that? Well, they're leveraging all of the data across the entire internet of every website that has the Facebook pixel installed. And that's pretty much every single website. So that's why it's working so well. And that's why things sell so quickly. There's an incredible amount of data behind the products that are being displayed in Facebook Marketplace. So how does it all actually work? Well, first things first, you need to find a USA-based retailer or dropship supplier, and you're going to go and research hot products from that supplier. Once you identify some products, you're literally going to copy and paste the product description, the title, you're going to right-click, save the images, and you're going to go on over to Facebook Marketplace. You're going to create your free account. You probably already have one, and you're going to create a listing, right? You're going to add that product. You're going to add the images. You're going to add the exact description. You're going to add the exact title. You're going to optimize the listing, and most importantly, you're going to mark up the price, right? Let's say if the item costs 20 bucks on, let's say Walmart, you might charge 35 bucks for it, right? And obviously what you do in terms of making money is you make the difference between the product cost and the price that you sell it for. So if you sell it for 35 bucks and it costs you 20 bucks, you're going to make $15, okay? Facebook also makes money here. They make 5% of the total sales price. So in this case, it would be a $35 sales price minus the $20 cost minus the 5% of the total fee. So you'd be left with about $12, $13 profit in this example. And the idea is that you do this over and over and over again. You leverage the incredible amount of traffic that Facebook is sending into Marketplace. And it's not uncommon for you to see thousands of listing views on your first couple of listings, even in the first couple of hours, because Facebook is pushing Marketplace so hard. People nationwide can buy your listing, right? They'll see it on their Facebook Marketplace and they could check out directly through Facebook payments, which means they'll never leave Facebook. They don't go to a different site. They don't message you for payment information. They just pay automatically. And then Facebook pays you directly into your bank account once you ship the item through your dropship supplier. So this is something that everyone needs to jump into. There's really no reason why you shouldn't be listing on Facebook Marketplace literally right after watching this video. It's incredibly hot right now. Facebook is pushing all of their resources to it, pushing all of their traffic to it. It leverages the millions of pixels that are out there. It's a really incredible combination, and it's super hot right now. Like I said, jump right into it right after watching this video. So now's the time to take action. Make sure you jump into this. I've got a bunch of free training videos. Make sure you take a look at my free training webinar and my course. You'll see the link directly below this video in the description. Facebook Marketplace is incredibly hot. Make sure you jump into it right now. I know you won't regret it. Right after this video, like I said, as soon as it ends, go right over to Facebook Marketplace, add some products, and see what happens. I know you're going to be happy with the results. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.